हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बैक आवर यूट्यूब एजुकेशन चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में हम करने जा रहे हैं स्टैंडर्ड 7th साइंस असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1B डिफाइन पार्ट 2 चैप्टर नंबर 7 to 9 नंबर 1 टिश्यू। आंसर है आपका ए टिश्यू इज ए ग्रुप ऑफ सेल दैट परफॉर्म स्पेशलिस्ट फंक्शन इन एन ऑर्गेनिज्म। Second number, reproduction. The process of production of new individual from their parent is called reproduction. Third number, pollination. A process of transfer of pollen from the anther of stigma of a flower is called pollination. Fourth number, zygote. The cell which results after fusion of gametes is called zygote. 5 number, simple pendulum. A system of a small massive body suspended by a light inextensible string from a rigid fixed. 6 number, time period of a simple pendulum. The time taken by the simple pendulum to complete one oscillation is called its period. Chapter number 10, 11 and 13. Number 1, real image. An image obtained on a screen is called a real image. Second number, virtual image. An image that cannot be obtained on a screen is called virtual image. Third number, reflection of light. Phenomenon of changing the direction of incident light by smooth and shining surface is called reflection of light. 4 number, manhole. A covered vertical hole in the ground, pavement or road above the underground sewer pipeline. 5 number, battery. The combination of two or more cells are called battery. Question number 2A. Answer the following question in one sentence. Chapter number 7, number 1. What is the function of hemoglobin in blood? Hemoglobin in blood combine with oxygen and transport it to all parts of the body and ultimately to all the cell. Second number, what is the function of white blood cell present in the body? The white blood cell fight against germs that may enter our body. Third number, state the type of blood vessel. There are 3 types of blood vessel: artery, vein, capillaries. 4 number, state the pulse rate in human in resting condition. In resting, the pulse rate in human about 72 to 80. 5 number, what is the pulse rate? The pulse rate is the number of throbbing beating of pulse in 1 minute. Chapter number 6, state the size of the human heart. The size of human heart is roughly the size of one's fist. Chapter number 8, number 1. What is vegetative propagation? Vegetative propagation is a type of asexual reproduction in which new plants are produced from roots, stems, leaves and buds. Second number, what is Spirogyra? Spirogyra is an algae. Third number, state the factors that play an important role in seed dispersal. The factor that play an important role in seed dispersal: wind, water, bird and animal. 4 number, what is called stigma? A cugino-like uppermost region of a pistil in a flower is called stigma. 5 number, why is the new plant produced by vegetative propagation an exact copy of the parent plant? The new plant produced by vegetative reproduced is an exact copy of the parent's plant because it is produced from a single plant. 6 number, give names of plant having spiny seed. Anthium and Urina are the plant having spiny seeds. Chapter number 9, number 1. Which physical quantity is shown on x-axis in a distance time graph? Time is shown on x-axis, distance is shown on y-axis. in a distance time graph. Second number, where is the well-known sundial situated in India? The well-known sundial is situated of Jantar Mantar, Delhi. Third number, how many hours are there in a year? नॉन लीप ईयर. तो इसका आंसर है आपका 8766 आवर, जो कि आप अगर इसे ऐसे सॉल्व करोगे तो आपका आंसर आएगा. 4 number, what is the nature of the distance time graph for a motion of a vehicle moving at constant speed? The nature if vehicle time graph for a motion of vehicle moving in constant speed of the graph is uniform motion. 5 number, if length of a simple pendulum is increased, then what difference would occur at constant speed? Answer है आपका if length of a simple pendulum is increased, its periodic time. Chapter number 10. Number 1. In which electrical devices appliances are an electrical cell? Electric cells are used in many electrical devices such as torches, radio, TV remote, control, clocks and some toys. Second number, when can the bulb connected is an electric circuit glow? The bulb can glow only when the electric switch is in on position and the electric circuit is closed and complete. Third number, state the devices appliances working on the heating thermal effect or an electric current. The devices working on the thermal effect of an electric current are electric iron, room heater, electric water heater, electric kettle, hair dryer, hot plate, electric stove, etc. 4 number, state the devices appliances working on the magnetic effect of an electric current. The appliances working on magnetic effect of an electric current are electric bell, telephone, telegraph, microphone, loudspeaker, cranes lifting very heavy loads. 5 number, which type of wire is used in the fuse? Wire made from some special material is used for making electric fuse so that it quickly melts and breaks when large electric current passes through it. Generally, the fuse wire is made from alloy of tin and lead. Chapter number 11, number 1. What is the nature and the position of an image of an object formed by a convex mirror? The nature of an image formed by a convex mirror is always virtual, erect, smaller than the object. The image is formed behind the mirror. Second number है आपका, what type of image is not formed by a concave mirror? आंसर है आपका virtual of a real object. Third number, which lens is called converging lens? Convex lens is the converging lens. 4 number, state one use of a concave mirror. Use of a concave mirror, it is used also reflection in searchlight or car headlight. 5 number, which type of mirror can form a real image? A concave mirror can form real image. 6 number, state the 7 color of rainbow in serial order. There are 7 color in a rainbow in this serial order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Chapter number 12, number 1. Why had some monkey jumped higher up on the tree in the presence of children? आंसर है आपका बिकॉज ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन प्रेजेंस सम monkey had climbed higher up on the tree where the disturbed the bird animal often given this type of warning call to alert other animal. Second number, why did Professor Ahmed tell children that they should not go deep into the forest? Because that many other animals like boar, pigeon, jackal, porcupine, elephant live in the deeper area of the forest. Third number, how is the floor of the forest? The floor of the forest is generally dark colored and covered with layer of dead and decaying leaves, fruits, seeds, twigs and small herbs. Help aerobic bacteria to grow. Bacteria consume unwanted matter remaining in clarified water. 4 number, give an example to reduce the working load of WWTP by creating less waste of an individual land. We can reduce the working of WWTP. And then आपका 5th number आता है, why should chemical like insecticides? ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन आपका आगे भी है लेकिन स्पेस कम होने की वजह से हमने नहीं लिखा है. इसका आंसर है आपका केमिकल लाइक इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, मोटर ऑयल, मेडिसिन्स नॉट थ्रोन डाउन द ड्रेन बिकॉज दे मे किल माइक्रोब्स दैट हेल्प प्योरीफाई वाटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2B आता है जिसको हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट में करने वाले हैं. तो अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कीजिए. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. जय हिंद, जय भारत. और अगर आपको कोई भी असाइनमेंट का वीडियो चाहिए तो आप हमें कमेंट कीजिए.